How's it going, everybody? It's August 2nd, first thing in the morning, but I wanted to make this video just as kind of like, I guess, a conversation piece. I wanted to see what your thoughts are on what's been happening in the US and if I'm the only one, and just to say, I hope I'm the only one, because last month when July started, when we just got into July, first couple of days, I put out a video because I noticed that right away things were different than June. And that's exactly what's happening this time, but this time things are different in a worse way. So a couple of days ago, as you can see here on the 30th, my sales in the US just dropped, and they haven't recovered. As you can see here, 3, 6, and yesterday 5. My overall sales are okay. Like, this is what I'm used to, 10, 11. There've been days where it's been a lot better, but this is not unusual. However, this is, and I just really can't put my finger on it. I don't know what's going on. Usually when this kind of stuff happens, I'm the one that announces that Amazon's going to do something. They're going to come out with either a new message, new something, right? They're doing something behind the scenes. And when I do this kind of stuff, when I notice the drop in sales, uh, a lot of other people are telling me that they're going through the same thing. And I'm the guy that says like I'm not into conspiracy theories or anything, but it's if it is a coincidence, and if it's a strange coincidence where it's kind of like, why is it happening to everybody and it starts on the same day, then there's something behind it, right? Let me just look at these numbers. For example, I wanted to show you guys. This was yesterday, so this would have been August 1st. Even if we go back, for example, just to look at overall sales. So on the 31st, uh, it was okay. Like, there were a few sales that came in internationally, but again, really nothing. The day before that, I think that was when I had the three sales in the U.S. There was nothing across the board. There were 4 sales in total. And then if we go back, one more day, uh, things look completely different. So I'm not really sure what's going on. I do notice these kinds of things from time to time, and it's always interesting to me, because within a few days, something does happen. But we always have to be fair, and we always have to, look at the facts and basically say there's a possibility that, there's been a huge drop in sales, at least in the last 3 days, uh, just for my account. It could not affect anybody else. So, anyways, I just wanted to put that out there. I wanted to give you guys an update. So far, as you can see, yesterday was a bad day, starting out August. Overall, like I said, let's see, this month would have just been yesterday. 11 sales, so that in itself is okay. But if we look at the last 7 days, uh, again, internationally, I'm doing okay. But look at this, which is, that is not good. So, anyways, I just wanted to put that out there. Let me know how you guys are doing, and I'll definitely keep you posted. I hope the first couple of days of August, or at least the first day, is definitely not a preview of the month. But I'll keep you guys posted. Okay, talk to you later.